For Steve Strogatz, a mathematician who we sometimes have on the show, it all started with a pendulum.
That our teacher handed us a little toy pendulum that was retractable. And then the teacher gave us a stopwatch and said, I want you to time how long it takes for this pendulum to swing back and forth 10 times. Okay, so I do the experiment. 10 swings, click, I record how many seconds it took, and then I write that in my little freshman lab notebook. Well, then he says, now make the pendulum a little bit longer. Do it again. And it takes longer to make the 10 swings, and I write down the number. And I do this 5 or 6 times, and I'm dutifully plotting the results on graph paper, which is what the experiment was really supposed to teach us, how to use graph paper. But what it taught me was this spooky thing was happening, which is that the dots were falling on an arc, on a curve. This curve was a curve I had seen before because I had just learned about it in algebra class, and it's called a parabola. And this really gave me the creeps because it was as if this inanimate thing, this pendulum, knew algebra. How could this thing swinging back and forth know something about parabolas, or how could that be built in? And so it was in that moment that I suddenly understood what people mean when they say there's a law of nature.